Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video.
In this video, I am going to show you how to arrange pictures in Affinity Publisher for printing. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Shapes drop down menu and choose any shape. Now and select the Polygon tool. Then draw the polygon shape. Then go to the Tools section again and select the Place tool. Now I am select some picture. Press Ctrl on our keyboard to select multiple images. Then click open. Then wait some moment and place picture one by one. Now we can see we insert some object. Now we want to arrange this object for printing. Firstly select a object, then go to the window menu and enable the layer section. We can see here already enable this. Then we go to the align layer section. You can arrange object using this layer. Otherwise you can align this object. Select the multiple object, press shift on our keyboard and make alignment. Now we can see we arrange object or picture very easily. Now we want to print this, go to the file option and click the print option. Otherwise press Ctrl P on our keyboard and select the print option. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.